Today we're going to make super fast fajitas in the turbo cooking system. Takes 8 minutes. Let's get cooking. This recipe called for Roma tomatoes. I use cherry tomatoes. You can always feel free to substitute. Watch this, guys. Half a cup of water. Look at this dish. It's juicy, it's healthy. And if ever you want to substitute chicken for beef, you just follow the same instructions and you got chicken fajitas. Bon appetit. If you hear any noise in the background, it's just my kids. They don't care that I'm filming. Take a look at this. Juicy, fast, shiny, delicious. Mmm, yum.
Luke, I am your father.